Okay, so you see this problem. Yesterday I solved this problem based on mean. The same problem. This is the problem. I solved mean deviation from mean. Okay. Today I'll solve the same problem, mean deviation from median. Okay, first you have to calculate mean for the purpose of mean deviation, then calculate the deviation. Okay, here are the two steps. Okay, you have to make two steps. In the first step, mean, median or mode or quartiles. Then calculate the deviation. Deviation is the second part. Okay, so you see here in this problem, calculate mean deviation from median. Mean deviation from median. Okay, and here the classes are inclusive class and frequency is here. Okay, frequency and class is given in the problem, and class is continuous frequency, continuous, and inclusive classes here. Okay, so in the mean deviation, without making any change, I calculated the mid x without any problem. I solved the problem, but here I will convert the class into exclusive class first. For median, you have to convert the class into exclusive class, then solve the problem. Okay, you see here. Calculation of mean deviation from median. This is the table. Okay, I'll take the class here. And this is F means frequency. Second column frequency. Mid x, C of x minus x bar. You have to change it. Instead of x bar, you have to take median. You take median. Okay. You see here. Class inclusive class is to be converted into exclusive. 39.5 to 49.5. You increase upper limit by 0.5, decrease a lower limit by 0.5. This is the class. I changed the class into exclusive. Okay. Upper limit of first class, lower limit of second class divided by 2. Upper limit of first class plus lower limit of second class divided by 2. That is 49 plus 50 divided by 2. That is 49.5. And increase 0.5 upper limit, decrease 0.5 lower limit. You will get the class. Then frequency is given in the problem. You take, I'll write here total 4, 6, 10, 18, 9, 3 are the frequencies. So total frequency is 50. Total frequency is 50. Now you calculate the mid x. 39.5 plus 49.5 divided by 2. Again it is 44.5. You may calculate. 44.5, 54.5, 64.5, 74.5, then 84.5, then 94.5. Again mid x is same as already calculated in the previous problem, but the class will change in the median calculation. Remember this point. Then you calculate the CF. Calculate the CF. 4, 10, this 4 comes here. 4 plus 6, 10, 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 18, 38. 38 plus 9, 47. 48 plus 3, 50. 50 is the value. So this is the CF. After CF, you have to calculate median. On the basis of these columns, we calculate the median. This is the information required to calculate median. So n divided by 2th item. You have to find the n divided by 2th item. N is 50. Means frequency total is 50. 50 divided by 2 is equal to 25th item. 25th item comes in this 38. 38 number. So this 25 number comes in 38 number. So this is called as median class. This is called as median class. Okay. And taking the information from this class, you calculate the median. Okay. Now you write the equation, median equation. Median is equal to L plus C divided by F in the bracket N divided by 2 minus CF. So you fill the values. Lower limit is 69.5. Median class is, this is the median class. Its lower limit is 69.5. Class interval is 10. 69.5, 79.5, difference 10. And F is 18 here. In the bracket, N by 2 value is 25, already calculated above. Okay. This 25 already calculated, you take directly here in place of N by 2. And CF means this is the median class. Above this is 20. This 20 is called as CF. You put 20. Then calculate the next step. So M is equal to 69.5 plus 10 by 18 into 5. So you calculate the second part. This is to be calculated first. Its value is 2.7. So median is equal to 72.27. First median calculated. Okay. Then you calculate the next column, x minus m. M means median. X is the mid-x. Mid-x minus 72.22. 72.20 is median. You deduct in the mid-x. It may be plus or minus. You don't think about plus or minus. Directly calculate the difference. First difference is 27.77. 44.5 minus 72.27. Like this you deduct in the x column. Second is 17.77. Then third is 7.77. 2.23. Then 12.23. 22.23. Like this you calculate the difference. How to calculate difference? This is the x value. In this column you deduct the median 72.5, you deduct and calculate this column. Okay. After calculating this, next column is f into x minus m. F into x minus m means this is the x minus m column. This is the x minus m column. Multiply this column and f column. F column is here. Okay. 4 into 27.77 first, 6 into 17.77. Like that, you multiply the value and assert in the value. This is 4 into 27.77, 111.08. Second is 106.62. Third value 77.70. Fourth is 40.14. 18 into 2.23. 9 into 12.23, 110.7. 07. 3 into 22.23, 66.69. Okay. In this way, you multiply and ascertain the value. Then you take the total of this. Total of this is called as summation of in the bracket x minus m. Okay. After completing this table, you apply the equation. Mean deviation from median is equal to summation of in the bracket x minus m divided by n. Okay, summation means this sign is nothing but total of the column. Total of the column is nothing but summation. Remember this. Okay. So mean deviation from median is equal to 512.3 divided by 50 is equal to 10.246. 10.246 is the answer. This is the mean deviation from median. In this way, you have to calculate mean deviation from median. Okay. Mean deviation from median, you calculate in this way. Okay. Next, you see the next example. This is the next example. Calculate mean deviation from median. Mean deviation from median for the following data. They ask to calculate mean deviation from median. Okay. You see here, mean deviation from median. First, I'll calculate. Okay, you see here, calculate mean deviation from mean. Calculate mean deviation from mean. Okay, one problem ungrouped data, one problem continuous with exclusive. This is exclusive, previous problem inclusive. Okay, mean deviation from mean. Mean deviation from mean. You have to see the question. On which base you have to calculate mean deviation. You calculate mean deviation based on mean. You see this one. Then first you calculate mean. First you calculate mean, then calculate mean deviation. This is the point you remember. Mean deviation they asked. On which base they asked? They asked on the basis of mean. Okay. This is the point you have to check. Okay, if they are asked mean deviation from median, you have to calculate median first, then calculate mean deviation. This is the point you remember. So calculation of mean deviation from mean. I'll take the columns. This is the class, frequency, mid-x, fx, x minus x bar, f into x minus x bar. These are the columns essential for mean deviation from mean in the continuous series. Continuous series, inclusive or exclusive. Write the class. Class 40 second class, third class, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 classes. Write the classes. Frequency is 12, 47, 31, 8, 2, 3. Total is 103. Total frequency is 103. Then you calculate the mid-x. Mid-x is equal to 40 plus 60 divided by 2. Means 100 divided by 2, 50. Second, 60 plus 80 divided by 2, 70. 80 plus 100 divided by 2. 100 plus 120 divided by 2. 120 plus 140 divided by 2. 140 plus 150 divided by 2. Like this, you calculate mid-x. Okay. Now you calculate the fx. Fx means multiply the f and x column, mid-x column. 12 into 50, 600. 47 into 70, 31 into 90. 8 into 110. 2 into 130. 3 into 150. Okay. Fx is completed. Now you take the total of this. Total of this is 8,270. 8,270 is called as summation of x. On the basis of this, you calculate x value. Mean is equal to x bar is equal to summation of x divided by n. N means total number of frequency. Remember this. So x bar is equal to 8,270 divided by 50. Sorry, it is not 50. It is 103. Frequency column total is 103. Okay. So answer is 80.29. 80.29 is the answer. This is the mean. First, I calculated the arithmetic mean. Okay, x bar calculated. Then for mean deviation, 2 columns are essential. 2 columns are essential. These 2 columns you have to complete. These 2 columns you have to complete. X minus x bar. X means mid x. X bar means average calculated. So you start the deductions. Okay. X column means this is the x column. In this column, you deduct this 80.29. 80.29 is common for all the value. Deduct and ascertain the value. First 30.29. Second 10.29. 9.71 third. Next is 29.71. 49.71. Last is 69.71. These are the x minus x bar value. Come to the f minus x bar into f. Now this column is the x minus x bar. Okay, x minus x bar. F into x bar means this and this column. These 2 columns. You multiply and take the answer. Next column. Okay. 363.48. That is 12 into 30.29. 12 into 30.29. Next 47 into 10.29. 31.9.71. 8 into 29.71. 2 into 49.71. 3 into 69.71. In this way, you calculate the total. Okay. Column is completed. So total is 1694.35. This is the total. Okay. Now you write the mean deviation equation. Mean deviation is equal to fx summation f in the bracket x minus x bar divided by n is equal to 1694. This total You take this total. This total is called as summation. Summation f into x minus x bar divided by n. N is 103. Okay. Now the answer is 16.45. 16.45 is the mean deviation. Mean deviation. Then if they ask to calculate coefficient of mean, then you calculate here. This is called as mean. Okay. This is the mean deviation. This is the mean deviation I calculated. Clear? This is the question asked for mean deviation. If the same problem can be solved with the help of second method. I'll show the second method. If mean deviation and from mean and median are asked. Second equation I'll show here. You see the same problem, calculation of mean deviation from mean. You see here, x column, class, frequency, then mid x. Okay, mid x you take. After mid x, instead of f into x, you calculate the CF column. Cumulative frequency, less than cumulative frequency, you calculate 12 plus 47, 59 plus 31, 90 plus 8, 98 plus 2, 100 plus 3. In this way, you calculate cumulative frequency and take the total. Okay, take the total. You take the total. Then you calculate XM. XM is the mid value of last class. Last class is 140 to 160. Mid value of this is 150. So it is called as XM. Then you calculate R1. R1 is equal to summation CF divided by N. CF means less than cumulative frequency total, 462. Divided by N is 103 is equal to 4.4854. This is the R1 value. Then next is X bar is equal to XM minus C in the bracket R1 minus 1. This is the mean equation. Okay, I told in the previous class how to calculate mean means only 3 equations I told. Ungrouped data, grouped data for 3 equations I told. This is the third equation. Third equation I'm showing to you people. So X bar is equal to 150 is the XM value, 20 is the class interval, R value is 4.4851 minus 1 is equal to 150 minus 20 in the bracket 3.48 something. Therefore, X bar is equal to, you remember, I'll show here. This minus part, this part is to be calculated first. Don't less that 20. You remember this. Last stage, you have to make addition or subtraction in the first term. Okay. So the ultimate answer is 80.292. Okay. Previous answer is also same. 80.29. This is also same. Okay. Now you calculate the X bar, the same values. Same value. X minus X bar is the same. Then the multiplication value is also same. 16.9035. Then mean deviation is also same. It is the mean deviation. Mean deviation is 16.45. 16.45 is the mean deviation. 16.45. Then I'll calculate coefficient of mean deviation. Coefficient of mean deviation is equal to mean deviation divided by x bar. If mean is there, median is there, MD divided by M. Mode is there, MD divided by mode. This is the coefficient equation. So you fill up the value 16.45 divided by 80.29 mean. Answer is coefficient of mean deviation from x is equal to 0.2049. 0.2049. Okay. After 1 minute, there is a break, and you take 5-minute break and rejoin. After 1 minute, there is a break. You take 5 minutes break and rejoin. This is the method. Same problem I solved in the second way. Okay, first way, second way. And then the same problem I'll solve the mean deviation from median. Mean deviation median I'll calculate for the same problem. You see here. Mean deviation from median. Okay. The same columns. Class is here. Frequency is here. Mid-x is here. Okay. CF you calculate. Okay. CF you calculate. Total CF is here. Then you write the median equation. Median class you have to find n by 2th item. N is 103 divided by 2 means 51.5th item. 51.5 comes in the 59. So this is called as median class. This is the median class. On the basis of this, you have to calculate median. Therefore, you write the median equation. Median is equal to L plus C divided by F in the bracket N divided by 2 minus CF. So these are the values. 60 is the lower limit. 20 is the class interval. 20 is the class. Okay. This is the median equation. You fill the value in the median equation. 60 is the lower limit. 20 is the class interval. 47 is the F value. Then 51.5 is the N divided by 2th value. Already calculated in the first step. Minus 12 means cumulative frequency. This 12. Then simplify this. 60 plus 20 divided by 47. 51.5 minus 12. That is 39.5. Okay. Then you simplify this. 60 plus 790 divided by 47. Multiply these two. 20 into 39.5. 790 divided by 47. So M is equal to 60 plus 16.81 is equal to 76.81. 76.81. Once you calculated the median, now median is complete. Then go for the second step, calculation of mean deviation. Calculation of mean deviation. These are the two columns you have to complete. So M is 76.81. Then X is mid-x column. X is mid-x column. Mid-x column and M 76.81. You make the difference. 50 minus 76.81 is equal to 26.81. 70 minus 76.81. 6.81. 90 minus 76.81. 13.19. 110 minus 76.81. 33.19. 130 minus 76.81. 53.17. 19. 150 minus 76.81. 73.19. Like this you calculate X minus M. Okay. Don't put minus or plus. Remember this. Then F into X minus M. F minus X column is this. And F column is second column. Multiply these two. 12 into 26.81. 47 into 6.81, 31 into 13.91, 8 into 33.19, 2 into 53.19, 3 into 73.19. These are the values. Take the total. This is the total. Now write the mean deviation equation. Mean deviation from median is equal to summation x minus x bar. It is not x bar, you take m. This is m. Okay. This is x minus m divided by n. So x minus m summation is 1642.15 divided by n is 103. Mean deviation is 15.94. This is called as mean deviation. This is absolute measure. Then you calculate relative measure. Relative measure is equal to coefficient of mean deviation from mean is equal to md divided by m. M means median. Okay. In case of mean, you take mean. So 15.94 is the mean deviation. Median is 76.81 is equal to 0.2076. In this way, you calculate the mean deviation from mean deviation from median. Okay. This is enough for today. Tomorrow, I'll take one example based on mean deviation from mode. Mean deviation from mode, I'll take one example and next go to standard deviation. Okay, tomorrow time, I'll tell you tomorrow itself.